Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Atlas Earth application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, depending upon your device, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, and once you open it up, you will be taken into its homepage. From the homepage, tap on the search option, and from the search box, just type in Atlas Earth and then begin your search. Now, once you find the application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Atlas Earth application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button. Go ahead and tap on open, and now this will open up the Atlas Earth application on your device, and you will be able to directly start signing up or logging into your account to continue using it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Atlas Earth application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.